Patty's Subaru Outback, or Outback Subaru, has just enjoyed 6 relaxing, sun-filled days at Cook's Service Center in Newport, Kentucky, in the good and the caring hands of Wayne Cook. Did you fix that car, Wayne?
We fixed it. Running like a new one.
Fixed Friday.
Yeah.
I'm driving a gas hog in the truck all weekend.
You just decided to
What
keep it.
is your phone number?
513.
How many times can you get your car fixed and get
Something like
breakfast?
that look like it worked, Miss Cook. I think something like that would work.
You like the look on that?
I looked at him. I said, "What am I married?" Seriously, he didn't look like that.
What did you tell your wife?
I do if I
you
get
know,
some
Van
get some
Jet
teeth in my
died
mouth and some
9
get
years
my
ago.
eye fixed and
And
some
they
hair
stuck
on my
on
head, I'd be a handsome man.
I think you'd be right.
Subaru is
Special wire. Special wire.
Special wire. Yeah. Special wire.
It takes special.
Old school though. Man, when them new cars run in
Yeah,
there,
I'm not
it's just
good at
You better check her, Wayne. You know, the one nice thing, it always feels like you're getting a new car when you pick it up after getting fixed, doesn't it, honey?
Yeah, it does. But I know that something's going to be happening soon.
All right.
I don't want to jinx myself.
Don't
but
jinx it, honey. The Subaru. I'm sorry. Something's wrong, honey?
It's dead. It's completely dead. Like nothing.
Oh,
Oh
man.
my God, I got nothing.
You don't think it has to do with the new wires, the new spark plugs?
Nah.
No wonder you said it was running good.
Yep, it's working now. Well, maybe not.
Yep.
There you go. Thank you, Wayne.